Video clip 2 Practice Time Past Simple Episode 2 Positive and Negative Sentence.
Okay, our next thing that we want to teach you how to do is to make a sentence using the past simple tense of the verb. All right? So, this is the structure of how you do that. And we're going to start here with making a positive sentence. And to do that, we need to start with your subject pronoun, you, he, she, it, we, they, plus you need the verb to. For example, drank, drank. That is going to be the past tense, verb to. Then we're going to also learn how to do a negative. We're going to use that to say something negatively. So again, we begin the sentence with the subject pronoun, you, he, she, it, we, they. And we use did as our past tense indicator in the negative. Did not or didn't, plus your second or verb one, which would be the present base form. That's the base form. Drink would go here. She didn't drink orange juice. Okay, we're going to take each word and we're going to make both the positive statement and also a negative using both the past tense and the base form of the verb. So let's go with number one. Drink and drank. We're going to make a sentence just like up here, and we're going to say something about Mr. Bean, if you remember the video, right? Mr. Bean drank pineapple juice. So if we did like that, Mr. Bean drank pineapple juice. Mr. Bean drank pineapple juice. In the negative, we are going to use the base form, drink. Mr. Bean didn't drink milk. Mr. Bean didn't drink milk. All right, our second word was eat and ate. So let's go ahead and make the positive past simple tense using ate. Again, Mr. Bean ate cotton candy. Mr. Bean ate cotton candy. In the negative, we're going to say Mr. Bean didn't eat burgers. Mr. Bean didn't eat burgers. Okay, number three, we're going to use win and won. Mr. Bean won a prize from the archery game. Mr. Bean won a prize from the archery game. Now our negative is going to be Mr. Bean didn't win a prize from the coin pusher game. Mr. Bean didn't win a prize from the coin pusher game. Okay, number four, go and went. Go and went. Example, Mr. Bean went on a roller coaster. Mr. Bean went on a roller coaster. The negative, Mr. Bean didn't go on a plane ride. Mr. Bean didn't go on a plane ride. Okay, class, here we are at number 5. The verb to see, present tense. and the past tense is saw. S-A-W. So let's begin with the past tense use of it in the example of Mr. Bean saw a magic show. And we want to say it in the negative. This is the negative. Remember, subject was didn't plus your present tense form of the verb. So it would be Mr. Bean didn't see a dolphin show. So the negative, the positive, Mr. Bean saw a magic show. Mr. Bean didn't see a dolphin show. Number 6, the verb to have, present tense. In the past, we say had. In our example, in the present positive sentence, we want to say, Mr. Bean had a baby with him. Mr. Bean had a baby with him. If we make it negative, we're going to say it like this. We're going to say, Mr. Bean didn't have a stroller. Mr. Bean didn't have a stroller. Number 7, buy and bought. The present tense buy, and then it changes to the past tense bought. So let's go ahead and use the past tense in our sentence. Mr. Bean bought a ticket to the magic show. Mr. Bean bought a ticket to the magic show. In the negative, we're going to say Mr. Bean didn't buy a ticket to the dolphin show. Mr. Bean didn't buy the ticket to the dolphin show. All right, last word, number 8, the verb to take. Past tense took. All right. So in our positive statement, we're going to say Mr. Bean took the baby from the kiddie car ride. Mr. Bean took the baby from the kiddie car ride. If we make it a negative, we're going to say Mr. Bean didn't take the baby from the plane ride. Mr. Bean didn't take the baby from the plane ride.